Hey guys, in this video I will show you the best NBA 2K26 Cronus Zen script called Swish Labs 2.0 that you can get right now. This script comes with many amazing features that other scripts do not have, such as AUTO-GREEN, AI tempo, auto defense, dribble combos, and so much more amazing stuff. This script even has AI dunking, so you can time your dunks perfectly as well. Not only that, but our AI tempo has been updated to be one of the best in the market, allowing you to always hit green shots all the time. So if you guys want to get the script, all you have to do is go over to sosascripts.com. This is our official site for the Swish Labs 2.0 script. And not only that, but we will walk through the entire process on how to set up the script, including video tutorials and exclusive access to our Discord community, where we show you how to set it up on all platforms, including PS5, Xbox, PC, and all other platforms too. You can see in our Discord server we have all of the video guides for you to follow, and they are very extensive. Not only that, but if you need help, we have support that will respond to your tickets and can even go into a voice call with you and help you one-to-one. But also, you can come to the vouch section and see all of the people that use our script and having success with it. Like this guy who is scoring all the points in his game and never misses. And you can see we also got all of these clips of people hitting AUTO-GREEN and stuff in-game, and they share all their clips in the vouch and reviews section. And you can even see other reviews of the script. Like, check out these members who said our script is the best one they've ever used. So guys, do not waste any more time. Go to sosascripts.com and buy the script right now while you can. Once you're on the site, click the button that says Get Swish Labs 2.0. Then once you click, it will take you to this page, and all you gotta do now is check out. They accept credit card and PayPal. Then once you pay, an email will be sent to the email you put in, and it will send you the script file. Also, a bunch of PDF guides that explain how to use the scripts with the best settings and values to use. Here's some screenshots of our guides. Like you can see, we explain how to use every setting in the script, so you're not left confused. A lot of other scripts will sell you the script but won't even help you on how to use it and expect you to fully understand it. That's why we are different from other sellers. Not only do we provide the highest quality scripts, we also make sure you fully understand how to use it. Another important thing that we do that others don't is that we device lock the script, which means no one could buy our script, then share it with their friends or resell it to others, meaning our scripts are top secret and no one can saturate it or leak it. So rest assured that if you buy it, you're part of the elite few who get to smoke everyone in the game. And also, we update the script frequently with new features, and also if 2K26 patches anything, we make sure to fix it as well. And for any future updates, you get them for free. As long as you already purchased the script, you get all the future updates for free, and you'll be able to download the new ones in the Discord server. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for the best script on NBA 2K26, then grab this today. Go to sosascripts.com and place your order and receive everything instantly to your email. But guys, setting up the script is very important, and it's super important that you do it correctly. So once you download the script, the first thing you want to do is make sure that Cronus Zen Studio is updated to the latest firmware on your PC. So you'd have to use Cronus Zen firmware update tool, and we have full guides on that inside the Discord upon purchase. Also, another huge thing is that depending on your console, you might need to do a specific bypass method that allows you to use the Cronus Zen on PS5. This can be a bit tricky to get right the first time, but once you get used to it, you'll always know how to do it very easily. So let me show you guys how to do the bypass method on PS5. If you're on Xbox or PC, you don't have to do this. Put the Zen in idle mode. Make sure it shows the Zen logo or stars. No scripts running. Plug the top cable into the PS5 back port. Top cable to Zen to back USB port only. Connect your controller to the left side of the Zen. Left port only, never the bottom ones. Go to Settings, Accessories, Advanced Settings. Find Turn Off Accessories and switch it off. If it's already off, skip it. Your PS5 will reboot. After reboot, hover over Turn Off Accessories. Don't click it, just hover over it. Confirm Zen is still on the logo screen. Zen logo or stars, no scripts. Unplug the top cable. Fully disconnect it. Plug the top cable back in and hold right D-pad for about 10 seconds until you see the Zen spam. Spam means bypass activated, bypass complete. Your Zen should now work on PS5. If not, redo the steps. The two things people mess up are not using the back port and not being on the Zen logo before the bypass. Now hop into any game, COD, NBA, Fortnite. It'll work on all of them. Alright guys, that's it for this video. video. Hope you all enjoy the script, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.
And I'll see you guys later.
Peace out.